Welcome to our daily health. Nutmeg. 8 natural nutmeg face packs for glowing, fair, and flawless skin permanently. One secret to flawless and glowing skin is nutmeg. Nutmeg is loaded with antioxidants that can fight damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. It is packed with anti-aging properties that give you a youthful look. Skin blemishes, acne scars, dark spots, and loose skin is almost everyone's nightmare. Giving your skin the appropriate care and treatment will give you the fair, clear, and flawless skin you desire. Nutmeg is one potent and natural ingredient that can work wonders for your skin. It also has antimicrobial properties that can fight off acne and fade acne spots. Nutmeg is famous for its use in culinary dishes. It gives a sweet aroma and flavor to soups, sauces, meat, and desserts. Nutmeg is rich in many nutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, copper, and manganese. In this video, we will be exploring 8 natural nutmeg face packs for glowing, fair, and flawless skin permanently. Number 1. Nutmeg, honey, baking soda, and lemon juice. Honey is great for the skin because of its antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Baking soda helps to remove dead skin cells and fight off acne and pimples. Lemon contains potent antioxidants that help slow down aging and decrease skin damage. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of honey, clove oil. Method: mix baking soda, honey, and a few drops of clove oil until it forms a smooth paste. Add nutmeg and lemon juice and mix well. Apply the face pack and massage well for at least 2 minutes. Leave for up to 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Number 2. Nutmeg and coconut milk. This duo offers clear, lustrous, and glowing skin. Coconut milk contains vitamin C and copper that can help your skin maintain its elasticity and prevent wrinkles or sagging. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut milk. Method: mix nutmeg powder and coconut milk in a bowl. Apply the mixture to your face. Rinse off after 15 minutes. Number 3. Nutmeg, yogurt, and honey. This face pack can ensure youthful and glowing skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps tighten skin, shrink pores, and reduce wrinkles. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of nutmeg powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Method: combine nutmeg powder, honey, and yogurt in a bowl to form a smooth paste. Apply the paste to your face. Leave for up to 10 minutes. Wash off with running water. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 4. Nutmeg and lentil powder. This duo is effective in removing excess oil, dead skin, and unclogging pores, giving you a fresh, fair, and flawless look. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of lentil powder. Method: mix nutmeg and lentil powder and add a few drops of water. Use the mixture for your face while massaging. Rinse off with cold water. Number 5. Nutmeg, honey, and cinnamon. This face pack would work wonders for your skin. The trio works well together in reducing acne spots and smoothing your skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of nutmeg powder, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Method: mix the 3 ingredients until evenly blended. Apply on cleansed skin. Leave for 30 minutes. Rinse off with cold water. Number 6. Nutmeg powder, saffron, rose water, and Fuller's Earth. This face pack would guarantee flawless, revitalized, and gorgeous skin. You can use this face pack weekly. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of Fuller's Earth, 2 saffron petals, 2 drops of mustard oil, 2 drops of rose water, orange slices. Method: extract juice from 2 orange slices, Combine the orange juice and the remaining ingredients till a smooth paste forms. Massage gently on your face. Leave for 15 minutes. Rinse off with cold water. Number 7. Nutmeg, mustard oil, and raw milk. This face pack would give a smooth and fair complexion. Raw milk cleanses the face and detoxifies the skin. Mustard oil lightens dark spots and gives soft and supple skin. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 2 drops of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of milk. Method: mix these ingredients until a smooth paste form. Apply on your face. Rinse with cold water after 10 minutes. Number 8. Nutmeg, apple cider vinegar, honey, and baking soda. This combo face pack removes acne spots and scars and makes your skin extremely radiant. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Method: mix the ingredients in a bowl up until well combined. Apply the mixture to your face, rinse off after 15 minutes. Nutmeg is a potent astringent, meaning that it can help shrink pores and dry out oil. It might not be appropriate for individuals with delicate skin. Make sure to do a skin patch test before you start using any of these face packs. Which nutmeg face pack do you like? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.